Good afternoon. I'm Patrick Perez and my partner Perez Santiaguel who made this PowerPoint and the script. And our report is all about our experiments all about the effects of mood setting via video viewing on the athlete's pulse rate, accuracy, and flight time of the ball in a free throw shot of the selected members of the UP women's basketball team. So, gagawin ko lang mabilis yung introduction so that we can focus right away on the results itself. So, the study further examined the effects of videos that can stimulate happiness and sadness to the different members of the UP women's basketball team. So, basically, ginawa lang namin for our experiment is that nagpakita lang kami ng videos and we would like to know if there's really an effect on the emotions can really affect the performance of the free throw of the participants. So the main problem here is that yun nga, kakasabi ko lang that we want to see or we want to look at the changes that happened in the accuracy, flight time of the ball during the free throw shot, and the pulse rate of the participants. So konting related lang about our study. So, bakit anger and bakit happiness? Or bakit sadness and bakit happiness? So, anger or sadness induction can result to self-reported emotional response which will have a feedback effect that may alter their performance. So, pwede siyang bad, pwedeng good din yung effect niya sa performance. So, dito, titin natin sa paper, sa research na to kung ano nga ba yung naging effect niya sa performance ng subject. So, for the happiness part naman, happiness is also associated with athletes are experiencing satisfaction in relation to performance. So, dito rin sa research na to na titingnan natin kung totoo nga ba na kung masaya ka, maganda yung performance mo, or pangit nga ba yung effect kung masyado kang relaxed during the game. So, intervention, we just used two different video viewing protocols for the experiment. So, happiness and sadness. For the happiness part, we used a short clip from Dolphy's movie. So, pwede siyang tignan dun sa reference list namin sa paper na sinend namin ngayon sa inyo, sir. So, for the sadness part, andun din yung link, Chinese clip ata siya or Vietnamese clip about two sisters na yung isa masama, yung isa bulakbol, yung isa hindi. Tapos nagka-cancer yung panganay. So, in order for us to assess the current mood or feeling ng participants namin, we used this short mood and feeling questionnaire from the Duke University. So, ginagamit ito ng mga experts to assess or to diagnose a patient with depression. Pero for this research, we will just use this for academic purposes, and it is not valid to assess or to diagnose someone or any of our participants with depression regardless of what score they have. So, yun. So, the three research questions we made is that, what is the most ideal emotion when taking a free throw shot? So, is there also correlation between sadness or anger and decrease in the accuracy of the athletes? And is there a correlation between the emotion stimulated with the flight time of the ball? So, yun nga, we have 6 participants lang. Dapat 8, pero na-injured yung dalawa. And, kumuha kami dun sa basketball team ng mga incoming rookies sila or may mga 1 or 2 playing experience na. So, gusto namin ganito kasi gusto namin ma-assess yung mga mental toughness ng mga bata rather than having those senior players so that it can be more useful for them for their development for their future career. So, yun. So, 6 nga from the UP women's basketball team. So, for the pulse rate, there's a meron significant decrease between the two, the pulse rates from the pre-test tapos dun sa dalawang posts na ginawa namin. So, makita natin na pinakamababa ay sa post-test sa happiness kasi, yun nga, nagkikick in yung relaxation part ng mga bata during after nung video viewing. So, we can relate this one mamaya dun sa results na makuha namin. So, yun nga, ginamit namin na app ay yung eye care health monitor. So, ito yun, yung fourth picture here. Yun yung pagkuha nila ng pulse rate. So, pwede nyo siya ma-download libre sa App Store or meron siyang pro version, may bayad. So, sa flight time naman, nakita natin na masyado mababa yung, mababa yung flight time ng happiness compared sa sadness. Ma-associate natin to dun sa relaxation part na na-feel ng mga bata from the start of the post-test ng happiness. Mamaya makikita rin natin na halos lahat ng min-test or ng hindi ng misses ng mga bata or ng mga participants namin na-occur nangyari nung first part ng mga ng test sa post-test happiness part. So, yun. Relatively kasi, measure namin to kasi based sa related lit na pag mataas yung mas mataas yung mas matagal yung flight time, better. Pero not naman sobra, pero yung okay lang. Pero kung kasi it generates a greater angular trajectory which increases the size of the rim or the area of the target na nagbibigay ng mas magandang results or mas magandang chances na pumasok yung tira mo. So, yun. So, gumamit kami ng tracker to track the ball going to the hoop. So, may mas magandang picture dito, yung kita yung mga stats dito sa gilid. Pero, we use this one kasi ito yung nilagay namin sa paper namin. So, sa presentation namin sa class, maglalagay kami ng mas magandang picture na kita yung lahat. So, ayun nga, kasabi ko nga kanina, ang baba nung percent na nakuha nung post-test happiness dun sa accuracy ng mga bata. Kasi, yun nga, may relaxation part na nangyayari sa start ng shot nila. Kasi, sabi ng related literature na nakuha namin, happiness is not bad, pero it's bad when relaxation comes in. So, when a person overcomes yung struggles niya sa umpisa by doing happy related movements like high-fiving, teammate, complimenting each other, mas nag-i-improve yung performance nila. So, yan. So, yung mga let's go, let's fight, tara, gano'n. Yun. Yun yung nakakapag-improve ng performance. Sa post-testing naman, sa sadness naman, yung mga movements such as flexion which we can relate to aggression or sadness or anger, mas nakapagbigay siya ng optimal focus. So umpisa pa lang na pag-focus na yung mga participants on the task at hand, which generates a greater percentage in their accuracy. Yun. So yun nga, ito yung shot track namin. Nakita natin na sa first 3 attempts, nakita natin na ang dami nilang miss. Dito na lang nag-occur lahat ng misses nila. So, ito yung for the happiness part. That's why we can say na happiness is always good. Lalo na pag andun yung relaxation part. Lalo na kapag yung situation na mataas yung lead ng isang team. Yun yung medyo masama or bad for the team kasi nagre-relax, nawawala yung focus sa task at hand, bumababa yung performance. Unlike sa anger or sadness like movements which is fist bumping, chest bumping, sumisigaw, shouting when kakuha ka ng magandang point, mas lalo nag-i-increase yung performance mo, mas gumaganda yung accuracy ng bata or ng player. So, a main variable lang namin, this research evaluated and analyzed the changes that took place with the 3 main variables: accuracy of the subject taking the free throw shot, average flight time of the ball, and pulse rate of the athletes. So, yung timeline lang namin, first week, pre-testing orientation, second week, video viewing and post-testing. So, yung data ng second week namin, yun na yung sa sadness naman. So, we can conclude na sa research namin, quick lang, na walang optimal or walang perfect emotion for taking a free throw shot. There is a certain emotion na nire-require yung certain event which you have to feel or na dapat tinutulungan mo yung sarili mo so that yung focus mo dun sa task at hand maganda, which will generate a more favorable result to your team. So, happiness is not bad. Happiness is not also that good. Same thing with sadness, but you have, but what we can conclude or recommend is that you have to reward yourself when you're doing good. Like, you have to high five your teammate or you have to relax, but you don't have to relax that much kasi nawawala na yung focus mo at the task at hand. So, you need to enjoy the game. You just have to, you also need to feel this certain kind of emotions, but you don't have, you don't have, you have to, you not, but you should not lose your optimal focus on what you are doing. Kasi regardless of what emotions you're feeling, kapag wala din yung focus mo, hindi siya effective. So, ayun, I'm Patrick Perez from UP Men's Basketball Team and my partner who made this PowerPoint presentation and the script, this message again from the UP Taekwondo team, and this is the end of our report. Thank you.